marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Pawtuxet River to Boones Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 8:45 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Solomon's Island, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Dares Beach,
James Island,
Solomon's Island, and Taylor's Island.
Immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash warning for central and Loudoun County in central Maryland.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Cuckold Creek, Greenwell State Park, Town Creek, St. Leonard Creek, Drum Point, Dares Beach, James Island, Solomon's Island, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia